Asia and Oceania. Miss World Asia and Oceania is Thailand. So as she comes down to join our other winners, put your hands together for Miss World Americas and Caribbean, who's Martinique, Miss World Africa, Ethiopia, Miss World Europe, Poland, and Miss World Asia and Oceania, Thailand. We have 4 continental winners. After the break, we will find out which one of them will be the new Miss World. Don't go away.
Hello mga kahabibi, nakaka-excited po ngayon. Ang ganap po ngayon sa India, ang Miss World 2025 OMG. 2-stan girl na si Thailand and the Philippines. Of course, si Gravidis and of course si Opal. So, I was so praying talaga guys kung sino yung mag-stand out sa kanilang dalawa for Asia and Oceania. And of course, I'm happy for Miss Thailand, Miss Opal. You made it. And this is, if ever that, you know, Miss Opal, Miss World Thailand 2025 will be crowned today, of course, she will be the first ever Miss World Thailand na makukoronahan. Oh my God, OMG. And of course, we have Megan Yang on last 2013 in Indonesia. It was happened in Indonesia, and that was our first ever crown for Miss World. And we know already that, you know, to winning in the Miss World is really tough. It's a lot of challenges, a lot of, you know, it's really difficult to get that blue crown. And now, I feel it that Miss Thailand will be the first ever Miss World Thailand that Thailand will be proud of. Oh my God. And of course, Miss Universe will be coming soon. And I really love Krishna Gradevis. Oh my God, Krishna, you made it in the top 8. I know it's really hard. And of course, there's a lot of people bashing you na, di makakapasok si ano, blah blah and so on. But you, therefore, you're fighting for the Philippines para sa iyo, para sa bayan. Oh my God. And I'm proud of you to getting on the top 8. And you know, people are bashing you na talagang kapwa Pilipino pa natin talagang nanghusga na you're not gonna get even on the top 40. So really insulting. And now anong masasabi niyo mga basher, di ba? Nakaka-sad, gusto kong ma-high blood, gusto kong magalit sa inyo, pero you know, I'm very happy and you know, and positive side lang tayo mga kasawsaw. And I'm happy for what the Krishna Gravidis achievement, Krishna Gravidis achievement today. She's getting on the top 8, and of course, we're hoping na, I feel it that Poland or Miss Thailand will be on the 2 ladies who will be stand for the crown. So I'm really voted for Miss Thailand because this is the first ever crown that Thailand will get. And mabunyo na talagang Thailand. Oh my God. I'm very proud also kasi nga she's from Asia and we are Asia. We just, you know, support Asia by Asia, diba? Asia is, you know, supporting each other. Yun lang, love. We're just like love each other. Don't hate anymore. Be kind to others. And of course, you know, respect must be applied. Oh my God. I felt speechless, guys. You know, I'm praying for Krishna Gravidis. I know that, you know, this is the day that, you know, align the star. But I'm also voting with Thailand. You know, Thailand, a lot of challenges that she encountered, diba? Alam mo naman nangyari sa Miss Universe, and she's, you know, dethroned for top 3. And parang ano lang yun, parang hindi naman she dethrone, but you know, sa ano lang, hindi ulitin ko mga kahabibi, hindi siya na-dethrone, pero parang, di ba, doon na rin mapupunta kasi nga, di ba, yung mga sinasabi sa kanya against her, but she's a fighter now, she's representing the Thailand for Miss World, and we know already na napakahirap masungkit yung blue crown. And now, Nakakagulat. I know that now there is still competing. There is still, hoping for the crown, and I'm so excited, guys. I am speechless today, and I'm happy for the first ever Thailand crown for Miss World. I'm happy for you. I love you, Thailand. I really love you, Thailand. I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And of course, I love Krishna Gravides, and she did well. And of course, she really hardworking, changes a lot of things that he made it. Done sobrang challenge talaga ni Krista, and I'm proud of you, girl, and I'm proud to be an Ilocano siya, di ba? Nakakasad, pero but it's okay. It's a good ano man na laban, wala mang maganda yung laban nila, and of course, di ba, in each individual naman meron tayong di ba? Saka di ba, si Thailand ganda ng gown. Yun lang talaga. I'm very proud those designer coming from Thailand, Vietnam, and Indonesia. They have a very good design. I'm proud those designer naman coming from the Philippines. In local pageant, they have a very huge, beautiful gown, and I can see that in the international. Sana maano rin ninyo, ma-apply din ninyo, kasi nga ang daming designer magaganda na hindi man lang sila nabigyan ng panahon para ipa-showcase yung gown nila. Ang dami, guys, ang daming magagaling na talagang kailangan nilang i-represent din sa di ba, international, katulad ni Miss Universe 2024, di ba? Talagang ginamit niya, in-apply niya talaga yung gown niya, na nasuot niya talaga yung kung anong gusto niya, di ba? Talagang pinag-uusapan. So, sana dapat yung mga local designer natin, sana maano rin sila, mabigyan sila ng pansin to wear those gown na talaga ang daming talented. Nakita natin, guys, sa Thailand, di ba? Sa Vietnam, sa Indonesia, di ba? Ang gaganda ng mga gown nila pag nagko-compete sila. Alam mo yun, yung sa local, okay lang, tama lang, mild lang. Pero pag sa competition na, di ba, pinagkahandaan talaga. So, yun talaga yung gusto kong ma-apply din sa beauty queen natin. Kasi nga, they deserve more than what they wear. Kasi nga, they're all deserving to win the crown. And those designer also coming from the Philippines, they're really deserving also to showcase their gown and, talent to make those beautiful gowns. Sana hindi lang bilang yung mabigyan ng pansin. Sana rin yung mga hindi kilala na alam natin ang daming designer na they have a potential to showcase their gowns to the international platform. Ang galing din naman ng mga designers sa Pinas. And of course, those designer also coming from Thailand, coming from Vietnam, coming from Indonesia. I'm very proud of you. Coming from Myanmar, coming from Cambodia, they all have those talents that really amaze the world and the universe and the earth and everything, and the grand international and the globe and the cosmo and what so on and the supranational, di ba? Talagang maraming magagaling. So please tingnan natin kung sino mananalo, and to those people who are still not subscribed my channel and also in the TikTok, please follow me. Thank you.